mock-up shows. Yes, of course, I have lovely friends on this team, and they're beautiful, talented improvisers. They just want you to know that 2/3 of them couldn't make it, so sorry. But please, let us start a slow clap. You know how we do this. We're gonna do it on the same tempo. Good. Start yelling profanities. 4, not 9, robot.
It is a steel 3-hole punch. It has 4 holes.
It is surrounded by tiny white dots of paper.
I feel like this is incorrect branding. I feel less than I was.
I feel like my binder isn't going to work with this.
I want your binder to work with this.
I want to start a business! I want to be cohesive!
I want to punch things.
I want a 3-hole punch!
3-hole punch! 3-hole punch!
This is it. This is the restaurant. This is how it's going to be when we open.
Okay. I have the papers in order.
Business. Yeah, I'm so excited to go into business with you, John. We've been neighbors, and I just felt like,
Yeah. Yeah, I went out and read.
like business books.
Yeah, it's cookbooks.
This just feels good to me, you know?
Yeah, I mean, when people come in, they can like sit down. But I think we need a place to put the food.
No.
Oh. Okay. I mean, it's our restaurant.
Yeah, we're business partners, 50-50. We'll share the profits and the costs.
I don't have much money.
Tony's not gonna know what hit him. Yeah. Teach him to take my lunch money. Where do I come in? Oh, can you like cheer? I don't get to do a 1-2 as well. Tony. Well, I feel like after my 1-2, that would be more like a 3-4. I don't really need that.
That's why you're the boss.
Yeah.
On this playground.
Yeah. I feel like we should add to our numbers. The playground mafia is it's dwindling.
After we lost Stevie,
Stevie and Johnny,
Joey.
And second Joey. But you know what? Tony, he's gonna pay. He's gonna pay, literally.
He's gonna freaking pay.
He's gonna pay.
Okay, so like cheering, like you should I like bring any like pom-poms or like
Yeah.
like streamers?
Yeah.
Signs?
I feel like a sign would be nice, like one made out of cardboard and drawn on it like fabric marker. That doesn't make sense.
Okay, yeah. That's cool, yeah. I thought we were gonna be. I don't know. When I joined this mafia, I thought we'd be more like partners, you know?
Well, you gotta work. I don't love quick.
Yeah, you told me that when I joined too.
Yeah, I said hi, nice to meet you.
why we're rearranging all the records for Mom?
She wanted them in chronological order.
Chronological?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But then alphabetical from year. So
Yeah.
every year chronologically and then alphabetical within that.
I didn't know Green Day had so many records. What is the whole middle section we just keep skipping over? Is this the Bush years?
I don't care. I'm tired. I don't want to do this anymore, guys.
It makes me feel close to Mom.
Well, I'm close to Mom too. But I just don't like this work.
You weren't anywhere when the last year she was alive.
I had stuff happening.
Stuff happening?
Yeah,
Do you know how many doctor's appointments we all had to take her to?
You know, I had that thing where I was learning how to juggle. And the first one was 2 balls, and then it was 3 balls. It was hard, guys.
Tell her how many medications you had to juggle.
Oh God, I can't even count how many there were. There were at least like. All right, Jugglers Association. We have a lot to discuss. And if you drop your ball, you're kicked out. Out! Whoa! We said balls only at the meeting. Balls only!
You guys are a bunch of cowards.
You don't remember what happened to Frank?
I don't. Frank was Butterfingers. I'm not gonna live in Frank's shadow.
Don't talk about Frank that way.
Yeah, he
Talk
died
about
early.
I admire him so much. I'm gonna live out the legacy he wanted to have.
Having
So-
both hands?
Come on. Okay. God, now it's set up every day.
Every day. 50-50, you know?
Yeah, I brought in, but there's 3 chairs and I only brought 1 in. I'm gonna go bring a client.
Oh my god, am I the first client? I've been waiting outside since yesterday. Am I the first client?
Yes.
Customer?
Yeah.
Diner? I don't know, what do you...
It doesn't matter.
Just have a seat. I'm gonna go get my cookbook.
So we can kind of do any food.
So usually there's a menu or like a little...
We can do it all.
So I just have to tell you what I...
Yep, I feel like I'm not being clear. We can make any food you want, any cuisine.
Right, but I came here, I didn't know what I wanted, and I thought you were going to tell me what I wanted, and I was just going to say that.
Oh, she's one of those consumers.
I need parameters, I need like some options.
We need to know what you want to have our parameters.
This is a lot of pressure, you guys.
Just pick a page. Just pick a page.
Good thing those pages kept spinning. Oh, she wants
Oh my god.
sauté Laurent.
Ooh, that's...
That sounds fancy. I thought you just have like sandwiches and burgers and wings and stuff. How long is that going to take?
Honestly, if you wanted one of those, you should have said it 4 minutes ago.
I have heard you have the best sauté Laurent in this today. I have come from, I'm not supposed to tell you this, but Michelin star. And this is not the design for the module, it's just fine.
All right.
I'm waiting.
All right. Go make it. I'll go make it. We have sardines.
We can make anything here. Do you want maybe something else? Fine.
I came here for your sauté Laurent, and I we will have a sauté Laurent, or you will not have your stars.
That's so crazy. You know, my uncle was in France studying abroad, and I feel like you were from the same region. What was it? Sorry.
So he just yelled everything at you, so as if you didn't understand.
As if I had no idea what the origins of France.
People,
You know, my mom studied abroad in France. It's like the same accent. Where were you from?
Michelin star.
As the mayor of Michelin Star, I have a lot to say.
I am very honored that you sent us on this, how you say, expedition.
Yes, that's how I say it in Michelin Star.
Where'd you go?
There can only be one Michelin star at a time.
Okay,
You will have to do.
I did not get rid of any of my stars this week.
You are sitting too far away for me to be comfortable. Now this is I like. Oh, mon ami, you know you have taken my heart. Mon ami, you know I cannot make eye contact. It is forbidden in Michelin Star. No.
Hey, I heard you all were looking for, some new people to, join your crew.
I don't know where you heard that from.
There's a flyer in the locker room.
Look, okay, I'm the number 2 man. I have no pull, I have no say. I'm a little cheerleader.
Where's the number 1? I want the number 1. What am I talking to you for? I bring a lot to the table. I gotta say, a lot.
Hey, you want a conversation without me present?
They approached me. I
You gotta do something about it.
didn't initiate. You said I couldn't. You said I could be talked to, and if I don't respond,
Is he telling the truth? Is he lying to me?
I took the initiative. I take initiative.
You're number 2 now.
Whoa, it's
No
my
way.
number 1 and my number 2 having a conversation without me.
Oh, look who it is! It's Mr. Pie. 3.1.
I'm 2 now. You're 3 and you're...
Pie.
3.14158.
No, it's not.
Repeating.
going.
I'm the square root of -2.
You're imaginary.
Who are you talking to?
Jump my. It's lonely being a number. When there's infinite ones around you, it's like you're on the scene in a room of yourself.
You know who I'm jealous of? Lettuce.
Ah!
Those guys.
Always on and on.
Oh,
about me.
look
Ah.
it! Oh, it's the letter C. And he's sassy.
I am Ned.
What? Well, that settles that. I was wrong about C. Because
I'm a cool S.
Oh my God.
Oh no, it's the cool S!
That's right. Not fuck you.
Hey,
Not
get
until
away
you've
from
been
the
taught in
letters.
every high schooler's notebook ever since the 1920s.
did somebody say something over there? I
Stay
feel
away
like
from the letters.
Hey, you gotta stop that. It's messing with the vibe.
But I feel like we're all hearing the same voice from like here.
Maybe we should go get that checked out together at the doctor.
all off this way, I think.
Yeah.
Do that.
I'm a real boy.
And I'm gonna stand here until I don't.
Hello! I'm Jiminy Cricket. I'm here to make you into a puppet.
No, I'm a real. It took me a long time to become a real
Well,
boy.
what were you before?
An imaginary number.
I do that from time to time.
That's right, Jiminy.
So you went from number to person, and now you're going to be a puppet.
Jiminy, if you don't get any clients, we are not going to be able to afford this house any longer.
I'm going to make you into chicken piccata.
Jiminy, it's not cute anymore.
You used to love my shtick, Marion.
I did use some of our stick, but now we have pupa that need attention. And
Who's sitting on the pupa right now?
Papa, I'm pupa.
You can't fight in front of the pupa.
You make your voice at me in front of the poop dog?
Jiminy, just get your act together and we can take care of these.
So he's just arguing in front of the pupa now.
He's letting them know that our family's falling apart, and it's just breaking my heart.
I've been telling you, you gotta get out.
I can't leave him. He's too sweet.
Oh, Marianne. It's me, La Cucaracha.
I can't with the cucaracha. I can't.
But La Cucaracha wants you.
Cucaracha, I'm married. I took an oath to Jiminy.
Oh, Jiminy. Jiminy's a loser.
Marion, I knew it!
Oh, I didn't. Go away, Jiminy.
Ew, bugs! New business model.
Yeah.
So the chairs will be on the floor now.
Yep. Yeah, let me see you guys.
Should we share?
No, don't share. Don't share.
Yes, we do, share.
Yes! Give me that cigarette.
Yeah.
I'll sit with my friend here.
You're guys get style.
Okay.
No, don't share. Don't share. No, don't share.
I'm a Michelin star.
So we can make anything here.
I have to say, how does the soup get served? Did you leave? Oh no! Okay. I can't see. We're still cuddling on the floor, and nobody can see us. Yeah. This is great scene. Suddenly I'm Russian.
Your mother, like.
How is it?
This has taken a very weird turn.
I'm cutting in front, but I can't physically.
Okay. So, in case anybody missed it, we were on the floor. Like, talking about things that didn't really matter.
You don't have to explain it to them. They get it. They
No,
saw it.
but
They
there's
saw it.
Sam in the back. I don't know. I mean, did you get the soup
We
joke?
were
Hold on, I'll check.
Sitting there.
Yeah, let's go. Let's show you guys.
Basically, we're sitting like this.
Lay down.
There's no
On
way
my
you can see
floor.
that.
Imagine this is the floor.
Oh, we should have done that.
We can make anything.
I'm running in front because. Playground Mafia is going strong.
It's all right. We're working through a couple options, you know.
Yeah, we're trying to do whatever sounds most intimidating.
I am unappreciated here.